Hey everybody, I'll show you my new project here. Picked it up over the summertime. It's a 1962 or 63 Viking 400 snowblower. It's a pretty interesting machine. It's good shape. It's missing the engine cover, unfortunately, but I kind of like the looks of it without it. It's got a 6 horse on it. It's in pretty good shape. It runs well. I had to put a new flywheel key in it. It was not sheared, but it was severely worn, throwing the timing off on it. It's got forward and reverse. It's 2-stage. It's very heavy, this thing, but they don't make them like this anymore. Oh. So we got a little bit of snow. As you can see, not much. I want to try it out. Hoping to get more coming up, more snow coming up. And this way I can really see how it goes. I already tried it a little bit. It doesn't throw it as well as my my 1965 Aaron's, but it's still, it's just an interesting machine. I was just eager to see it going and running. So let's try it out. There you have it. The old Viking. Don't see too many of these. Oh, I hope to get some more snow soon. More snow. Deeper snow, I can try it out. Alrighty then. Thanks for watching. Take care.